So Nicki Minaj did not stop at the song No Frauds. She is also exercising her Twitter fingers and is on Instagram going in on Remy Ma via posts and captions. You know, giving Rem a taste of her own medicine. This is what Nicki had to say. Hashtag young money till the death of me. Committing perjury? I got before and after pictures of your surgery. Hashtag stop surgery shaming before I post them. Hashtag fraud. Diss records can't be lies. Great diss records are facts. But here at Young Money, we don't do diss records. We drop hit records and diss you on them. I got a bunch more on cock. Pause. The greats took 3 months to respond to diss records. She's talking about Jay-Z. Queens don't move on peasant time. She trying to say she didn't respond on time to Remy because Remy is beneath her. Queens shut down Paris, then drop hits on Queen time. I love my fans. Y'all the real MVPs. Been writing my own raps since I was 11. God knows. Next week, I'll beat Aretha for the most Hot 100 hits on Billboard by any woman in the world ever in the history of music. Wait a minute. Did she just throw shots at Aretha Franklin? You know what? Never mind. Stay in your bum ass place. Jealousy gets you nowhere. Love to all my bad btchs. Now I got a countdown on my own. Sheneneh. You got 72 hours to drop a hit and I'll give you $500,000 if you can book any show or interview without mentioning the Queen name. On another note, my album is nothing but waves. LOL, my babies. You're gonna get your complete life. Love you guys so effing much. Let's go. No Frauds, changed it, regretting yours. And shout out to Lady Luck for speaking facts. They act like they didn't see her interview though. LOL. Kissy face, kissy face, kissy face, kissy face emojis. Sheesh kebab. And she posted this twice, by the way. What do you guys think about this? Let us know below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this page for more. PettyBlog.com signing off.